That's Misters of Filipinas, Rizal Province. Misters of Filipinas, City of Binyan. Misters of Filipinas, Rizal Anime, learning different languages, weightlifting, playing guitar, violin, and the piano. That's Misters of Filipinas, San Fernando, La Union. And cooking. Misters of Filipinas, Zambales. Misters of singing, dancing, and usually thinking about his future. Misters of Filipinas, Laguna. Misters of and doing workouts. Misters of Filipinas, Quezon City. Misters of Filipinas, traveling and exploring new cultures, working out, cooking, and social media content creation. Misters of Filipinas, Cavite. Misters of Filipinas, exploring new cuisines, gaming, and modeling. Misters of Filipinas, Cebu Province. Cooking, playing the ukulele, reading, and going to the gym. Misters of Filipinas, Palayan City, Nueva Ecija. Misters of Filipinas and Culture. Misters of Filipinas, Bataan. Misters of Filipinas, watching sideline movies and traveling. Misters of Filipinas, Pangasinan. Misters of Filipinas, Palayan City, lifting, gaming, basketball, playing the guitar, mentoring others, and exploring new skills like cooking or entrepreneurship. Misters of Filipinas, La Union. Mr. Dennis, he also likes to keep his mind busy and enjoy reading articles and watching documentaries, most about science, history, and things that he's very interested in. Mr. South Filipinas, Bulacan Province. Mr. South Filipinas, City of Manila. Mr. South Filipinas. That's Mr. South Filipinas, Pampanga. Mr. South Filipinas, City of South Filipinas, Masinloc, Zambales. Mr. South Filipinas, Pampanga, recreational such as hiking, running, and swimming. Mr. South Filipinas, Los Baños, Laguna. Mr. South Filipinas, Filipinas, Los Baños, motorcycle riding, going to the gym, doing architectural photography, and fish keeping. Misters of Filipinas, Nueva Ecija. hobbies are growing, singing, and doing workouts. Mr. Song Filipinas, Cabiao, Nueva Ecija. Are going to the gym to stay healthy, listening to music to find inspiration, exploring new things to discover about the world, and enjoying his own company because he values growth and peace of mind. Mr. South Filipinas, Lipa City, Batangas. Mr. South, he loves dancing, playing basketball, and acting. Mr. South Filipinas, Imus Cavite. Mr. South Filipinas as well. Mr. South Filipinas, Puerto Princesa City, Palawan. Mr.